I thought it was going to be worse. Can you do me a favor?
Yeah.
Can you go upstairs and ask her to turn on her hot water? As long as the sink is empty, turn on the hot water, yeah. Thank you. So this is an 1.5-inch drain, guys. We're going to be using the Milwaukee M18. So we got the water running upstairs. That's the water coming out. The drain's clear right now. I would have rather that be a Y with an end cap. Then you'd be able to see that it wasn't still plugged. But once we get the snake out, we'll get them to shut the water off and we'll see that it's not plugged no more. I really love the Milwaukee M18. If anybody knows anybody out there and they want to contact Milwaukee and let them know, I'd love a sponsorship. Okay, do you want to get her to shut the water off now? Yeah, yeah. So you can see the water is just coming from around the side. But you get lots of rice, stuff like that. When you get the rice and stuff like that, it will clog up the drain pretty good as well as the grease buildup. But there you go, guys.
How it looks?
Good.
Good?
Yeah.
Okay.
Perfect. All right, that's it. This way.
The paper or you send it online?
I can drop it off at the office if you want.
It's closed to the office.
Yeah, I'll just drop it in the mailbox.
Okay.
Thank you. Have a good day, all right? All right, guys. This has been Jay That Drain Guy signing out. Until next time, Taragna.